beach club resort. It looks like super fancy, like Richie Rich, and over there is Swan and Dolphin. And over there we will go look at is the boardwalk. That doesn't look like a dolphin though, no. Clearly, that's a fish. See that? That's the swan? Clearly a swan though. The bridge connecting to it is pretty cool. Fans. Look at this, man. Nice. Nautical. There's a giant, what is that? What? Grandma used to have one. It's not a globe, is it? It's got a special name, doesn't it? It's like, where are you even filming? Still, I want one of these.
No.
A smaller one?
No.
Smaller?
No.
Why not? Why can't I look? I said smaller.
No. No.
At all? Why not? Huh? This is really nice. This actually works. Look, there we are. Right there, here we are. And where we came from is not on here yet.
It'll be somewhere around there.
That's where we came from. Michigan sees this yet. Huh. I never play on a map, bro.
Like a map.
Oh, I need that. Isn't that called a library?
No, you already have to do that for the library.
I know I have a library. What, I would like a globe in there? I don't see why. I'm just being mean. Where'd you go? You can't have that chair. Colonial land of modernness. Maybe the soft colors are really nice. This is artistically pleasing to the eye. And calming. It's like soothing. This is a large land. See? What do I say? Lamps. Fit where they are. Like nautical niceness. It's like how you see lighthouses. Just like the lighthouse we passed way over there. These places have like everything. This is a fitness area. And we just passed like the salon and massage place. This pool is like huge. And each place you go is like a small town. And since I'm on a light theme here, see? You put a lot of effort into every little piece of everything in Disney. You have to get your money's worth. An arcade. Oh, they had arcades back then. Really nice. My favorite. A soda shop. We just passed a soda shop. What? That's like a really old thing, isn't it? Well, yeah, I think we just showed you everything there was to see at the Yacht and Beach. Well, without actually, you know, paying for a room and stuff. So, ooh, there's a hidden water slide over there. Can you see it? Nifty. Like next to that pirate ship back there. So, soda shop. That's cool. That's cool. Little table over there. I like that. What is that? Details. More mosaic tiling thing over there. This is really nice though. Oh, horse and carriage. I love horses and carriages. I've never been on one, but I've always wanted to. Sure, here's more. So that must have been the yacht part. This must be the beach part. Dance off. That's my cousin Tyler's thing right there. sing along. Oh, looks like that must be the wedding thing over there. Not disturbing. Swing, the little playground thing. Should we check out the beach part? Okay, this is the beach part. Like little giant, like little giants. Ridiculous. They're giant baubles. Over there. Oh, it's the same thing. Similar, but at the same time different. I mean, look at that land light. That's extra fancy. I really like these chairs though. I want a pair like this in my place. Oh, see? Yeah, those are shells. These are kind of interesting detail. You want to see the star? Let's see the star. Old school looking elevators. Oh, charcoal? There's my hat that I really want.